Okay, sir. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to look for a picture for Viva. So Viva picture, Viva. So for example, let us take, yeah, this picture or some, I don't know, images. Uh, okay, maybe. So for Viva Voce, basically, there is a rule. I'll just try to get the material up 1 minute. Uh, Hold on. This is French Cosmopolitan, 1 minute. International section. Combination. Uh, Okay. This is something that I will share with you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Whenever somebody tells you to talk about a photo, the first thing you will tell is, this is a photo. C'est une photo. Then you will say, en couleur. Most probably they will give you a color photo only. So I'll just download this picture 1 minute. File, download, PDF document. Okay. Just a second. So this is the downloads. Okay. So this is what you have to do. I'm just taking my pen. So this is your first sentence. I put a dot over here. Set your photo on cooler. Illustration ante drawing. It's a very old photo ante set your VIE photo. Set your image typical process means this is a typical French picture ane చెప్పడానికి ఏం లేదు. This is a color photo. This is a photo in color చెప్పాలంతే. Next. The next thing is you have to tell which place it is. So there are so many places. École, lycée, université, bibliothèque, aéroport, hotel, maison, park, rue. So many places. So for the sake of that, we can just look for some places here. Places inside a city. So these are all the places bibliothèque, bureau, magasin. So you should know all the places. From any place, photo can come. So this
Good.
is the places. After that, you should say this is a park. This is a park. For example, I have taken the picnic picture. Seto Park. This is in the park. Seto Park. Say $. Say dans a park also you can say. The next one. Qu'est-ce qu'on voit? What do you see? In the middle, what do you see? In the left side, what do you see? On the right side, what do you see? In the front, what do you see? At the back, what do you see? Outside, what do you see? In on peut voir. This is something you should say. On peut voir or Ilia. Ilia means there is or there are. So let us see, look at this picture and let us see what is there. So you can say this word on peut voir or Ilia des arbres. Il y a des arbres dans la photo. On peut voir 3 personnes. Ils font un picnic. Like this. You have to make 3 sentences. Il y a un homme qui est assis. Assis means seated. Sur la chaise. Il a une bouteille de vin, VIN. Vin, he has a bottle of wine. Et un verre. Verre means and a glass. Pour boire. Like that, you have to keep on making sentences. So main thing, on peut voir is important, il y a is important. After that, what is important is, just a second, you have the weather. Weather is, you have to say il fait beau. Sometimes you can say il fait du soleil, il pleut, c'est l'été, c'est l'hiver, which weather it is. So you can say c'est le printemps, you can say the season, you can say the weather. You can also tell the season if you want. Then how is the person? There is a man, there is a woman, there is a child, there is an adolescent, there is an old person. You have to imagine, this is imagination. You have to imagine how old is he. You, for everything what you use, you can say peut-être. Peut-être il a 30 ans. Il a des yeux verts. If the picture is very close up picture, then you can tell the color of the eyes, the color of the hair, whether the nose is big or small, is he thin or fat, do you think this person is smiling or not smiling? Very important. Il est souriant. Il est souriant, il est souriante. Important. Il est content, fatigué, préoccupé, whichever you want to say. Next. You have to use prepositions. Derrière, il y a des arbres. Il y a un tapis sur you can say sur l'herbe, which is a herb means grass. You can tell only preposition, lots of prepositions you have to use. At least 3 prepositions you have to use. Next, you have to talk about clothes. So what about the clothes? You have to say il porte. Porte means to wear. He wears, she wears. Chemisier, une chemise. Tell the color, pantalon, costume. Tell the color of the rouge, jaune, vert, blanche, noir, orange, bleu, mauve, violet. Then say à la mode is very fashionable. You can talk about the clothes if you want, otherwise don't bother. C'est peut-être en coton, c'est peut-être en laine, whichever you want to say. Next, comment ça lui va? So how is it nice for them when they are wearing the dress? Is it suiting them? So you can say, elle porte, ce qu'il porte, lui va bien. Ce qu'il porte, this is a sentence. Ce qu'il porte, whatever he is wearing, lui va bien, is suiting him. You can say that. Ça a l'air confortable. You can say there is a expression. L'air means expression. Comfortable expression. Next. Qu'est-ce qu'il est ou elle fait? What are they doing? Like I told, ils font la picnic. You can say with en train de. Now this is very, very important. This is en train de one sentence. Passé récent one sentence. Future proche one sentence. You have to tell something like this. You have to imagine. How do you imagine like that? When we go to the picture, what are they doing? Ils sont, they are, ils sont, S-O-N-T, en train de, they are in the process of, ils sont en train de, you can say, partager des plaisanteries, sharing jokes. Or you can say more easily, you can say, ils sont en train de boire du vin. They are in the process of drinking some wine. Because this fellow is also having one wine glass in his hand. She's also having a wine glass in her hand. And he is also having a wine glass in his hand. So ils sont en train de is present continuous. En train de plus infinitive. Now you have to imagine near past and near future. Near past is, what did they just do? Ils viennent de choisir un arbre. Ils viennent de manger des sandwiches. Ils viennent de manger des sandwiches means they finished eating some sandwiches and now they're having wine. Now what are they going to do? What are they going to do now is ils vont dormir. Ils vont you can say whatever you want. Ils vont danser. Ils vont chanter. Ils vont écouter la musique. Whichever you feel is comfortable, you can say. Nobody is going to judge you. How can you say that they're going to dance? You can say whatever comes to your mind, as long as you told one proper present continuous sentence, you told one passé récent sentence, one future proche sentence. After that, what is important? After that, he is alone, she is alone, they are a group of friends. C'est un groupe d'amis. These are a group of friends. C'est une équipe sportive. This is a sports group. This is a group of people. This is a family. Je pense que c'est une famille. I feel that this is a family. Je pense que c'est un groupe des amis. C'est un groupe de professionals. What do you think this is? The last and final point, you should say, what do you think is the photo suggesting? So what is making you, what thought is coming in your mind when you're looking at this photo? So you can say, la photo me fait penser à, this photo makes me think about, j'ai l'impression que, I have the impression that, à mon avis is the easiest. À mon avis is, according to my opinion, on voit que, we can see that, elle relate le problème de, it relates to the problem of, simple, just tell your opinion. What is your opinion? À mon avis, you can say, l'amitié, because you have to use a noun. So you can say l'amitié est très important. Friendship is very important. Sure, this is the gyan that you're getting out of looking at this picture. Did you understand?
Yeah.
All this you should be able to tell in 2-3 minutes. You should be able to tell. This
Yes,
is how you describe the picture. So I'll just send you this picture. Is there anything else? Like, can you take some pictures and can you work on them? And 1 minute, I have a meeting.
Take marriage, ma'am. Marriage photo.
I'm
Any
sorry, sir. I have to go because I'm having a meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
For Erwin demo, ma'am. 1 minute. I think it's not now. Erwin demo, Sudeepa ma'am to join. Okay. Not now, right? 1 minute, sir. I won't keep you waiting. I'm working for this African company, sir. So there'll be meetings and mada. Just a second. Today is 20th of March. It's not there. Okay. One minute. Okay. I'll send this also to you.
Yes, ma'am. Do one thing, ma'am. Two persons, one person came to home. In that home, one brother and sisters like. Otherwise, you take any marriage photo.
Is that how Sir Madam is giving the picture, sir?
Yeah. Otherwise, you take any vegetable market.
Okay.
Or give topic also.
No, sir, you just have to take the picture and you have to talk about it.
Okay.
That is how it works. There is no topic as such. You just have to take the picture and talk about it. So,
Okay.
for example, let us take a picture of
You take marriage, ma'am. Marriage photo or at supermarket. You take this one, ma'am.
Can we
Ah.
take this one?
Yes, that one.
Okay.
I will ask the questions, ma'am. You give me a reply in French.
Yeah, sure. Vous pouvez demander des questions en français. 3:30. 3:30, there's a meeting. Okay, fine. Okay, sir, start.
How many members in the picture?
No, you have to ask in the French. Okay, il y a combien de membres dans cette image? Vous,
Oh,
vous avez besoin de donner
okay.
cette information avant des questions. Even before the questions can come, you have to tell off this information. Il y a 6 personnes. Une femme, 5 hommes.
What are the colors are available? Can you tell?
C'est une photo colorée. Il y a des produits sans colorés. Il y a beaucoup de produits dans des couleurs multiples. Mais les hommes, les hommes et les femmes, ils portent des chemises et un chemisier gris. Il y a seulement un homme qui porte une chemise blanche. Il porte des jeans. Des jeans sont en noir, des jeans sont bleus. Là. Any other question?
What they are doing?
Qu'est-ce qu'ils font? What are they doing? Qu'est-ce qu'ils font? Now you have to tell 3 sentences. Ils sont en train de sourire pour une photo. They are in the process of smiling for a photo. And then ils viennent de assister des clients pour faire du shopping, pour faire des courses. They have just helped some clients to do some shopping. And then ils vont aller pour avoir leur déjeuner. They are going to go to have their lunch.
Where is this place representing?
Where is this place? Okay. Cette image se passe dans un supermarché.
How many girls are there?
Il y a seulement une fille.
How many boys?
Il y a 5 garçons. Il y a 5 hommes.
Take another marriage photo, ma'am.
Are you getting it, sir? Is that how your teacher will ask you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We can't predict, ma'am. Just I'm preparing something at least. With the people, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. It's loading. Just loading. Okay. అన్ని క్రిస్టియన్ వెడ్డింగ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. Okay. Describe, sir, this one. Okay.
What is representing this picture?
Cette image représente un mariage. Je pense que le mariage vient de finir.
Who
Vient
is this? Who is this person along with married people?
Je pense que c'est un ami. Elle prend une photo, elle prend une selfie avec le couple du mariage.
Who are the persons behind these three persons?
Ce sont les proches. Je pense que ce sont les proches. Ils dansent. Ils sont en train de danser. They are in the process of dancing. Ils vont prendre leur dîner bientôt. Soon they are going to have their dinner.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you handle this, sir? Can you do this speaking?
Yes, ma'am. After playing this record, and I will try.
Okay, sir. Okay, then. See you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir.